What is she doing? I wanted to say first, happy Easter, happy holidays to everyone that celebrates the various holidays going on right now. I know we are all probably at home, but I hope that you're with family or loved ones, and I just wanted to have fun today. So I layered these eggs with colors, and I have randomly placed them all around in here. I'm gonna mix them up again so that I can't see them all. I wiped them off because some of them were leaking out of the bottom of the eggs. So I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I just know I wanna have fun today. So I'm not gonna judge this painting. I'm just gonna accept it for what it is. I think I'll probably do it like this and then blow it out. I don't know, maybe like that, I don't know. I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna go for it. Okay. I'm gonna crack my first egg. I feel like a lot of it leaked out already. Oh, okay, sky blue. All right, okay. Whew. First egg down. Sky blue, okay. I can deal with that. I can deal with that. Okay, coming over here. Okay. Okay, all right, aqua. I can deal. This is going good so far. I have a black, a brown, a green, and an orange in there for scary colors. So I'm going to, okay. Oh, please don't be brown. Please don't be brown. Oh, okay, orange. Okay, orange, I can deal with orange as well. Are you guys nervous? I'm a little nervous. Okay. 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 Oh, geez. Oh, green. Oh, it was sitting in a black mound too. I got a little bit of black right there. Oh, green. Okay. All right. What do you guys think? What do you think I'm gonna get? I'm gonna go with this one. I've got like all these muddy colors all over my fingers. I hope the canvas doesn't go to, okay. Ooh. Interesting color scheme so far. I mean, I guess it's Easter, so I guess I'm not doing too bad right now. What do you guys think? One more color? I had a copper in there. Where's that one? Okay. Where do you guys tell me to stop? Where are you gonna tell me to stop? Right here? Okay. Oh, wow, I ended up with all the colors of Easter. I did not plan this at all. I feel like this is like roulette. Should I do, I feel like I've gotten really lucky so far. Should I do one more color? I don't know. Should I do one more, guys? Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna do one more. Tell me when to stop. Oh God, this does not look it. Looks like it came out of a black bin. Oh, it is black! Oh, crap. I should have stopped, right? I should have stopped where I was. Oh my goodness, and it's right there in the center. Okay. All right, let me wipe my hands off and I will blow this out. Oh boy. Ugh. Okay. All right. Wow. I should have stopped the one right before it. All right, okay, so I'm gonna pour, so a lot of you guys have been asking about flooding and not flooding. So what I mean by that is pouring the white around or pouring the white over. It is totally up to you, it's by choice, but I use a blow dryer to blow the paint on my canvas. The paint is very thin. If you use a spatula or if you tilt the canvas to put your base coat down, the paint is normally a lot thicker. The colors blow easier. So when I put this white paint down, it is not to wash the colors out. It is to help the paint flow better. Now, when you see me pour the white over the colors, it's because when I use Amsterdam and water, it creates beautiful lacing. So what you can do instead, if you don't want to blow the white over, is actually add white in the middle of your painting. So that's what I'll do here. But I just wanted to clarify that there is no right or wrong way to do that. It's your personal preference. It's my personal preference. It's up to the artist. I've seen people have great results with blowing it over. I've seen people have great results without blowing it over. But I don't like to say there's one right or wrong way to do it. It's whatever way you would like to do it. You make this your own painting. All right. I've just been procrastinating because I really don't want to blow this out. Okay, that black in the middle. I should have left it. Okay. The other thing, so I'm not going to blow over this. Maybe in another video, you guys can let me know if you want to see it or not. I'll do a comparison, blowing over and not blowing over, and show you the difference and how it reacts and things like that. Spreading it with a palette knife versus spreading it with the blow dryer. So you guys let me know if you want some type of tutorial like that as well. And then I like in a composition of a piece when sometimes the colors are vibrant and in other places in the same piece, they're very soft. Again, that's up to you. It's whatever you want to do. If you make your painting and you love it, that's all you need. Okay? All right, so I'm going to quit talking and I'm going to blow. So you see how right here, this stopped moving? It's because I didn't have enough of this color right here to help it flow. So watch what happens when I put a little bit of color right here, and then I blow. See how that paint helps it, that extra paint helps it move right there? All right, so let me see here. Where do I want to go next? Oh, that black. Oh. So as I blew that into the white, all of these beautiful cells popped up. And I actually like that effect. This is a very bright painting. Even though that came all the way through the white, that's gorgeous right there. Wow, that is very pretty. I cannot believe I had that in there. I would have loved this painting otherwise. All right. Oh, this black. So right here, if I want more of this to flow right here, I'm just gonna put that white down. And it flows. Oh man, okay, the black. I mean, I said that I wasn't gonna judge this painting, so I'm not gonna judge this painting. I am going to, this got a little muddy right here because I didn't have enough color to stretch over this section. So I am just going to pour a little bit more white right here and just blow that off. Interesting. Oh, thank you, my little eggs, for creating this. Oh man. Okay, I might fiddle for a second. Wow, this is just beautiful over here. I'm gonna fiddle for a second and then I'll take you guys down and show you the final result. Okay. But some of this is just, it's really pretty. Now guys, this is like not my color combination that I would ever, but see that to me, that I love this when this happens in the painting. There's some of those cells. There was where I poured that white river. That's the lacing that I'm talking about from the Amsterdam. I actually really like the green, the black, and the yellow together. I like how this faded out. So I like some vibrant and some soft. But again, this is not to, you know, this is not going up anywhere. This is just have fun. Go into your paint room and make something that makes you giggle. Doesn't matter. Have no judgments about it. Whatever. I love this. Even this little, my little game that I played there of chance and I ended up with the one color. It still works. I love it. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you all. Please stay safe. Happy painting. Bye.